Oh, di ara. Isti submerge. Dua man ito. Murag wala pa tani saka.
Yeah.
Namang gugitan ta sa taas nagikan.
Kami diri gatago. Naluga na sila. Una ng mga flamingo oh. Gani. Diri.
Magtanaw sa mga video ko. Di ako di ko kabaw ng video mo na lang ko magpaan. Gatuga.
Dagan ka.
Nag-upload ko sa YouTube o man nag-edit
Oh, bito no.
Sandig na to kay murag dai ka ng
Mupaak.
nai electric kuan. Ay mahawid jud ka dili meron ka ng mga mudat tigay mo padiot ba.
Sa Kaiming Tram. Mag-ikot-ikot muna kami dito sa My Bird Park, guys. Yan. Napagod ng mga lola. Kaya sumakay na kami ng tram.
Video ka. Yan. Sobrang lawak ng kanilang bird park dito.
Welcome back to Station 1 for safety instruments in the
Kung wala ka nakaduhog sa babae nga mag-video ay sa
Renan, I will be your guide today. Now today, we will be discovering birds from all over the world. But before that, say hello to my friend Mitra. Hi everyone! Now I'm a birder, which means I don't dress with experts. I look for birds. Now I know Sabrina, I've traveled to Scotland, to Zululand. Okay, this year I want to break my own record and see 1,000 or Did you know this clinic is one of the largest of its kind in the world? And if you're ready, everyone, keep your eyes right up there! We have Lambo and Ferrari, our Scarlet Reports. Now, of course, they actually have very sharp, pointy views. It allows them to eat unripe fruits. But there are toxins in those fruits which are good for the birds. So clay neutralizes the toxins. Clay also has minerals like sodium that can't be found in their diet. Amazing, right? That's right, which means no upset tummy. And welcome to Bird Paradise in Singapore. This park is home to 3,500 birds from over 400 alien species. Did you know that we celebrated Singapore's birthday on the 9th of August? I remember, right? So we are still in the mood of celebrating. So ladies and gentlemen, I have got a state flag to give away. Who wants this? Clap your hands! Okay, let's see. Just leave right here in the brown shirt. And then I'm going to welcome President Lalatin. And what are you, Nancy? There you go. Okay, in the meantime, the rest of you around, remain seated, children's included, because we do not want to confuse the bird, okay? And here's Sassy, all down there, ready to go. Very good, Sassy, put it down, go on to it, man. And Sassy, you fly on to me right here. Nothing up there. Let's go on to me. There you go. Thank you very much, man, for assisting in your pregnancy. Ladies and gentlemen. Hi, so right to me, this is Gaia, our hyacinth report. Hyacinth reports are the largest in the parrot family. Gaia here is about 14 years old. Right here with me, I have Katie, our sulfur-crested cockatoo. Now, cockatoos like Katie can be found in Australia and in certain parts of Indonesia. Now, can you see the yellow feathers on her head? Now, that is known as a crest. Sulfur is yellow and therefore they are known as the sulfur-crested cockatoos. So parrots remain polite and make devoted parents. That means they love to take advantage of abandoned tree branches and tree hollows to build their nest. Just like this one. And they also use nesting materials like leaves, twigs, and sometimes they even use tree bark. Okay? So if the cavity is too small, they will then use their beaks to enlarge it. So you guys should... Good job. So everyone, if you want to see what's happening on the inside, take a look at the screen. Nice, Gaia. Do we have Katie up next? Say you, Katie. Yay! Peekaboo. Let's just see. Fantastic. Aren't they adorable? A rooster in the park. Okay, I knew you would say that, so just stand right there and check this out, okay? Now let's get a microphone so that all of you can do the rooster. Now you know what I mean by the rooster? Okay, I think if you need any other sounds, we have something to tell all of you first, okay? So what do you want to tell them? Welcome! Don't forget that. We said welcome to Parrot Paradise. Okay, hold on. Some kids are looking confused, so nobody hear this one more time, okay? Let's welcome them. Wow, very clear spread. Okay, the next sound will be a high-tech sound. How about the telephone? Hold on, the phone is a telephone. There you go. Something like this, Singapura or Singapura, pitching flowers bloom for you and me. By the way, Quincy here comes to the last word, which is me. So when it comes to the end of the song, all of us are singing together. Can we do that? Yes? Okay, very good. Quincy, let's do this.
Me.
Give yourself a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, Quincy. Now, parrots, they usually copy or imitate sounds made by their families. So if they were to mimic any human sounds, they are basically Okay, so let's watch on the in action.
Kaysa nito na.
And they are also going to catch their prey in mid-flight. So we're going to get all the demonstrators set.